In this video, we will cover item and location inquiry in Axacute. At the home page, click on the Inquiry button. Select Item Inquiry. Item Inquiry allows you to look for the details of a specific item in the warehouse. Click on the Search button to select the item to be received. You can enter a keyword of the item description to return the relevant result. Select the warehouse and the location. Click on the Details button to check the item details. Now, say you would like to look for an item, but you have no idea where the item is. You can repeat the same process, but leave the warehouse and location field empty. By leaving these two fields empty, Axacute shall return the details of the item in every warehouse and location. For a lot-tracked item, you can click on the Lot button to view the lot information. On the other hand, Location Inquiry allows you to search for a specific warehouse location detail. At the home page, click on the Inquiry button. Select Location Inquiry. Click on the Search button to select the warehouse to search. Select the location. Click on the Details button to check the location details. Axacute will show you all the items that are available in this location. Click on the Lot button to view the lot information of an item. Thank you for watching this video.